It does not depend on the elastic modulus. But what we see that for the same voltage, we see different quantity wheels based on the different elasticity of the soft material. And we see a very crazy hysteresis behavior. So this is a very recent result what we have got, but we are still trying to understand how does these soft dielectrics behave compared to the rigid dielectrics in a conventional electrolytic system. So that means what we need to do, we need to modify this Lippmann equation with some dissipation term which takes care of this elastic dissipation or viscous dissipation or viscoelastic dissipation to be completely true. Now, the another work I am going to talk is the slip surfaces. So there was an article published in 2011 in Physics Reports, and if you read these the box, there are these plants available in a very tropical area like Africa. It's called as a Nepenthes pisha plants. So these pisha plants, what they do, they condense moisture from the surrounding as the inner on the inner wall of these plants. So these condensed water acts as a lubrication layer on the inner wall of this plant. And when an insect it falls inside this plant, so all the insects, even the human being, we have fatty, greasy fingerprints, okay, and then the aqueous layer is the lubricant. So again on the feet you have a oil or the grease, and surrounding inside you have the aqueous or the water as the lubricant. So again because of this oil water hydrophobic interaction, these insects is unable to climb, okay, and that's why they keep sleeping inside these plants, and that's basically the food for the plant. Okay, it gets digested by the gastric juice of the plant, and that's how they survive. Learning from this, one of the first paper in this direction was published in 2011 in Nature, where they took rough surfaces, the roughness can be ordered or disordered, and they infused appropriate lubricating fluid, and they tilt it and put another liquid. So now the choice is between the two liquids which you are putting here, the liquid A and the liquid which is infused as a lubricant. And again, if you meet the right condition, this liquid will start slipping even if you see this alpha, the tilt angle is only 3 degrees. So at a tilt angle of 3 degrees, the top block starts moving as if there is a little or negligible friction. So based on that, we will start working on these slippery surfaces. Okay, so I'll skip that. So the model system looks like you have a solid surface, you use a lubricating fluid, appropriate lubricating fluid, and on top of that you put another liquid.